A very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today I am discussing about catering and its type. If we talk about the definitions, catering is the business of providing food service at remote sites or the sites such as hotel, hospitals, pub, aircraft, cruise ship, park, filming sites or studio, entertainment sites or event venue for a large number of people. And catering segments, the catering industry is divided into three general segments. First is commercial. Primary financial goal involves generations of profit from the sales of F&B product, example restaurant, fast food outlets, bar and pub. And if we talk about non-commercial, financial goal does not involve generating profit from the sales of F&B product. F&B are secondary business in alliance with the main business, example hospital catering, college, university catering and transportation catering. Military encompasses all the catering activity involved in association with the armed forces or diplomatic event. For armed based camp catering, types of catering services, there are two main types of catering: on premises catering, off premises catering, that may be concerned to a large or small caterers. On premises catering is the catering for any functions such as banquet, receptions or the event that is held on physical functions. On premises caterers such as hotel, conventions centers and restaurants, they are usually have advantages of offering many services under one roof, and they can also provide a sufficient space to house an entire event and plenty of parking. And these are the example of on premises catering. If we talk about off premises catering, often involves producing food at central kitchen with delivery to end service provided at the client locations. Part or all the productions of food may be executed and or finished at the event location. At time of premises caterers must really generators for electricities and trucks in potable waters and water device and is a trash systems. In most cases there are no existing kitchen facility at the location where the food is served. Caterers provide a single event food service, but not all caterers they are created equal. So these are the example of premises catering. So thank you to all of you. Thank you very much.